Kuble pi baro ngi pdiang so bai pi shukatup kubor mata ka jan mit shwaban paj ki kubor ki babnya ngi pet chwai ki mat bakong san on ai jingkren umintri rang badu kari Narendra Modi haka program Man Ki Baat hadu darshan but all India radio la shai kasi daki e jahar mudoi ki pulit halor ka jingsha sho but pinjulor ki dio patba hakapor ba yai rally ka FKJ GP Shen on sedang pentre kamno ka sorkar ya ka unit ka Baningkong jongka ganol hydro power project but julor palat iway point kandai po klur tingka na ka jingbam du ka ding hayaw lait ngakra ong ka MLA ka East Shillong ka kong Amprin Lingdo ki khubor ki babnya umintri rang badu kari Narendra Modi un saya mirjingmut bat ki nong shong shnong kari haka program Man Ki Baat kaba on sa pinsngau lengba ka All India Radio la shai kasngi haka por khatwe bje min step kani kan long ka binta kaba khandai phusau jong kane ka program kaba pinsngau shi sin shi banai ya kane ka program on sa pinsngau habaro ki network jong ka All India Radio bat Doordarshan ki website ka AIR News bat ka News on Air mobile app La ruban sngap ia kane ka program haka YouTube channel jong ka AIR News, DD News, PMO bat katanat Information and Broadcasting. Bat hadir bala pensngau haka ktin Hindi on sa pensngau pat sa haki way pat kijat ktin. Ki pulit ka jillah nen ka janmiet kila mudoy artali ki e jahar halat mukra bat Sardar Police Station halor ka jingsha sho ki dio patba ki bayat hala kalenti hakapor bayat rally. Usimbut menteri rang ba ke jela ba Preston Tensong hanin kesngi ula ong ba ka sarkar jela kala ai bor haki pulit ban shim ki kendon katkum ki sakhi bala yo de ki pulit bad halor kane ka sarkar ba katanat pulit kin sale ya ka badon kam uba Preston ula ong ya kane hadin bala mi ka jingsha sho ki diu patba ki ba ken thop ya ki nong pathai khubor bad ki kali hakarali kerdo kam ka bala penyai da ka seng FKJ GP Hagaju kapor ka Deputy Commissioner kalabatha ikabor pulit ban shim khia bat le ikabadon kam ya ki badon kti ha kati ka kampen mensaw ya ki diu patba bat ya ki nong nya arshaka
See, you can have peace rally meeting or whatever you want. It is okay, whatever. But please don't create law and order. And the message is very clear. I would request all the leaders of FKGP or any other NGOs, leaders, you can have your meeting. No, there's no doubt with it. But at the same time, please control your members or your volunteers, whatever, because we don't want to see any law and order in the state of Meghalaya. The system is what? We authorize the police authority to take necessary steps, whatever required to be done. So we have already authorized. I've already spoken also personally to the police authority, and now they are on the job.
Usimbut menteri rang ba ke jela bat badai pet ya katanat boarding ke sarkar jela uba Preston Tensong ula penbena basyan ke sarkar kan sedang pentre kamno ya ka unit ke Baningkong jong ka ganol hydro power project haba pai khmat shapang ke jing sedang pentre kamno ya ka ganol hydro power project uba Preston ula ong ba unsa pendep ya kane ha ubnai no pra mata usnem kane ka project kaladon hapadeng ke jing sha kentho halor ke jing kentiu ya ka mang tingka ka ba na ka laispa san phun riu klur tingka sha ka san spa klur tingka kani ka project ka bala bankit arpaway point san megawatt lasdang pentrekam hachi bagre ka bajangai kung bakhat san kilometer na tura kani kan long ka project ka Baningkong hakathan Garo Hills kani ka project ka lakendu buon ki jing penjalan na 12 dang pentre yaka na 26 hajar henriu hagaju ka por uba Preston ula ong baka sarkar jilla kan sa pentrekam yaka way yaki way ki hydro project ka bakhamrit hamaution road
Very soon. One is canal project, and that also not fully. We have 3 units, but 1 unit within this year we are going to commission it in canal in canal project.
By December.
By December we will launch it, and another 2 again private investors which is again in the pipeline, and one more is that in that Shalang site, Mausinot site, again that also is in the pipeline. But I would like to tell you right now, our focus is for one unit of canal project will be commissioned, will be inaugurated within this year.
Usimbut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau ba Preston Tinsong Ulaong bagajing yo nong jong ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL kalaban kot syaka shispa klur tingka hakashibenai. Habiakren bakilat patai kubor uba Tinsong Ulaong ke MEECL kala penlut palat shispa sanpo klur tingka man lau benai bat kajing mi nakane kalong nyopusan klur tingka. Ulaong bakane ka corporation ka hab ruban sir ya karam man lau benai namar bakajela ka hab bantiet boarding naki CPSU ki baper. Ulaong ru ba minta ka sarkar nakapor sa kapor kalayarap ya ka MEECL.
Monthly MECL spending about 150 crores monthly. Revenue generation is about 75 crores, which means 50% deficit. Okay, so now why time and again ultimately government has to bail out? When situation comes, government has to bail it out. Why? Because as I said to you, if the revenue generation monthly is only 50%, what you spend? So how do we survive? It's very difficult.
Kumbaan riu pusau ngut kinong bu dukan kila du nong nakadaw jong kajing bam du kading hayo laim kra anyan ka step. Ka MLA jong ka East Shillong constituency ikong Ampri Lingdo ila pentip bakajing julor nakane kajing jia kalakot syaka iway point kandai pok lur tingka. Habia kren barkilat patai kubor ikong Amprin ilaong bakilawat jaka syaway nakabenta kini kinong bu dukan kam kloy. Ilaong ba ila kentu ya Menteri Rangba ke Jela ban shim kia halor kane bat pen kloy ban penyo jaka yaki syaway pat. Ila pentip bakan sa don kajing lang baar bat ka Deputy Commissioner Lasngi Ningkong.
Vendors would mean finding a space for them at the earliest as to which would be the most ideal location to locate these people. We've taken a call with the Honourable Chief Minister and his kind intervention. We would likely now try to rebuild this particular location at the earliest with minimum costs. We also have other options. There's a neighbouring land of the Darbar which we may use according to the Darbar's intervention about 2 to 3 months. So there are these dry rations and other vendors who will not be able to be relocated in the premises of the wet market where meat and fish is sold. So we are now going to have a quick meeting with the DC as well.
Katanat Youth Affairs and Sports jong ka sarkar pedeng hapo ka Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan West Giant Hills District hene ka sngi kala penlong ya ka District Level Yuva Utsav 2022 India at 2047 halor kapang Take Pride in Our Heritage and Legacy ha Marion Hill Higher Secondary School Jowai. UMLA ka Jowai uba wailat miki shilla ha kabakut jong ka program ula sa miki khusnam shiki nongjob ha ki jinga kop ki baper. Habia kren bat ka DD News u District Youth Officer uba di Rapsang ula pentip bagajing tmu jong ka program kalong ban penlong ka we yaki samla ban wanra ka khubor jong ka Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav bat bante ya ka jingkit kli ban penne pensa ya ka riti ka dustur jong kari.
Ada kata spirit jongki samla, banana yang kecil yang dari jongki samla. Badan pok ka distrik itu, koi nanti ka koi macam nanti kalau ban pensaprian, nanti ban sukat yang ni ka idea, ka berde ban ka dor jong kecil ini lain dulu. Kaba nanti ka penjoj serta jindak dokter senang. Ke ban koi tak kalau ban I mention bagi pun sama ijongi bakin penek pensa kabeh bagi ready kidustur ijongi ibadan katam kalen jok kali India itu oi.
Mentapat ngin pet ya kajinglong jingman kasui meneng ha shilong. Kajing shit kalong @pusan point lai degree Celsius, bat kajing kriat kalong cutway point pra degree Celsius. Kajing sengem kahau-hau kalong san pusan na kashi spa min step, bat san pukandai na kashi spa jan meet. Kasun meneng kandrang ha shilong bat kijaka ba marjan. Sa shisien pat ngi pen kamau ya pi ba ya kani ka kubor jongi pila ruban pet live ha ka YouTube channel jong ka di news shilong. Shuaban poi syaga pakut jong katup kubor ngi nyapet biang sa shisien ni kimat bakong san. On ajing kren umintri rang badu ka ri Narendra Modi ha ka program Man Ki Baat hadu dashan bat All India Radio la shai kasngi. Daki jahar mudui ki pulit halor ka jingsha sho bat pinjulor ki briu pajba ha ka por bayai rally ka FKJ GP. Shen on sedang pentre kamno ka sarkar ya ka unit ka Baningkong jong ka Genol Hydro Power Project. Bat julor palat iway point kandai poklur tingka na ka jingbam do ka ding hayaw laim kra ong ka MLA ka East Shillong ka kong Amplin Lingdo. Tiparlok katung ilapoy siya kapakut jong katup kubor jongi mentaga janmit. Hadu bangin de syambiang bat pila syai kasngi, kublay pi baro.
मन की बात है जन जन की, संघर्षों के कुछ किस्से, कहानी कुछ सफलताओं की, अनकही विरासत की, उम्मीदें नए